Hey everyone, I am Atig and today we're gonna see the PPV feature. I will explain what I'm doing as I edit. By watching this tutorial, you're gonna learn everything you need to know about the PPV configuration. In this video, you will see an overview of the PPV configuration workflow by enabling the PPV graph, generating PPV and velocity log files, and having a look to the different available options. So let's get started. We can find the online velocity configuration menu under online data analysis tab. So let's click on online data analysis tab, then enable online velocity to display the velocity real-time graph, and we click on enabling velocity log file and also PPV log files in order to receive their log files, and don't forget to click on validate. Now we're gonna move and configure the bin device on streaming mode and see the results. So the velocity graph will be displayed after 10 seconds. You have the possibility to minimize this duration by changing the number of points. By default, the number of points is set to auto, which means the sampling rate divided by 0.1, and that's why the velocity graph was displayed after 10 seconds. I will go deeper into this option later. On the right corner, as you see, you can see the PPV standard graph here, and below peak value, the RMS value, and peak-to-peak values. Now let's go back to the online velocity configuration. Click on stop first. Now we will explore the available options. As soon as you click on the gearbox icon right here, you're gonna see this window right here, which contains several options. In the standard PPV drop-down menu, you can pick the right standard DIN norm that suits your application. Choose a configuration for the velocity. You can choose a configuration by FFT. It's similar to the FFT configuration, or you can choose by filter. In this configuration, you will apply a filter to generate the velocity graph. We have here the same options for the streaming mode and for also the set mode. We can apply a high pass filter or pass band. You can also choose the filter design between IR or FIR. Then you need to adjust and set the frequency specification and the magnitude specification. Also, you can name your filter and save its configuration in order to use it another time. As default, the velocity configuration is set to 0 crossing, and it's recommended to use the 0 crossing as velocity configuration, despite the FFT and the filter configuration are used for specific applications and only for advanced and experienced users. Now let's try to change the PPV standard. For example, we will choose this one and choose by filter option for streaming mode and leave it as default. Just we need to choose the sampling rate from here and then click on validate. We close this tab. After that, we will put the bin device on streaming mode with the same sampling rate entered before in the filter configuration and let's see the results. And now we will go to check the velocity and the PPV files. And we will just open the bin device folder under here, and we notice that a new folder was created named particle velocity results, which contains the velocity and PPV log files. This is the end of our video. Thanks for watching.